Well, hello YouTube, and today we are going on a little bit of a field trip. I was going through some old videotapes up at my father's place yesterday, and came across a few old VHS tapes that he had filmed, and also that he didn't film, but they were pertaining to the company that he used to work for. It was called Pittsburgh Des Moines Steel Corporation, otherwise known as PDM. And the company is now defunct. Well, it isn't really. It still exists as a PDM Steel Services Company, I believe it's called, out in, I think it's Nevada now. But in 2001, 2002, the company moved their offices from Neville Island down to Texas and then basically liquidated. So we're taking a little trip down to Neville Island here and take a look at where the offices were. Well, where the office building used to be anyway. And we'll see if there is a little bit of a, I guess you could say, artifact, if that's even still there anymore. I don't believe it is. But where the offices used to be is now Metallico Steel, which is a scrap company. So we're now on Grand Avenue on Neville Island. And our destination is 3100 Grand Avenue, which was the location of the main offices for PDM. They also had a shop down here where they would build. It was right on the river, and they could float barges into the shop. And let's see if I'm going the right direction here. I want to keep going straight. Also see if we can see where the shop was, if I remember which building it was. I'm not too positive here. It's been years since I've been down here. But I actually used to run scrap, and I would go down here to Metallico. PDM was down here. I believe one of the other companies was Dravo. I want to say that there was a dog food manufacturing plant down here at one point in time as well. There was a military... train tracks. There was a military installment, I believe. I'm not sure if that's still here or not. Oh yeah, here U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. We're passing it. It's on the left here. One thing about coming down here on the weekend is there's nobody here. No traffic or anything. Well, there's some guy in a crane, but that's beside the point. Alright. Here we are. Neville Recycling, Metallico. 3400 Grand Avenue. 3100, sorry. Actually, I believe 3100. Oh, it's gone. Right here on the right, there used to be a small bus stop, and it actually still had the PDM logo on it, but it's gone. But one artifact that is still here, to the right used to be the office building, and there was a cafeteria, and this was the parking area for the offices, and these are the parking garages that were for the employees. And you used to have to rent one of the garages, and there was, at one point in time, there were like strips down on the pavement. They, like, you could only go in one way and go out the other way, and you actually had a key card that you had to access it. But there used to be a cafeteria here. It was a big round domed structure. It was, I believe it was built out of stainless steel. The actual office building had a lot of stainless steel on it. That's all gone now. It's just the scrap yard and shredder. But anyway, I believe the shops were further down. I'm not going to go down for that, to look at that right now. But another local thing that's relevant to the company is out in Cranberry Township. They actually built, I believe it was 2 of the 3 water towers that were out there, are out there. So we're going to take a little trip out there and take a look at those. So I'm going to stop the camera for now, and we'll be back when we get to the water towers. Alright, so we can see it right in front of us. That is one of the water towers. Let's see if we can get up a little closer to it. Township here. Obviously, I don't think we're going to be able to get right up close to it, but I think we would have to go up into the MSA. Let's just turn around here. Alright, so that's one of them. Now on to the next one. Alright, so I was following the GPS to get to the Cranberry West water tank. And that one just decided to take me to the Cranberry Borough building, where the offices are for the water authority. So, and the tank's out here this way on Rochester Road. So let's just go ahead and see if we can spot it. Alright, so here we are. This is the other water tower. Again, I don't believe we're going to be able to actually get to it. At least not from right here. So there is our second water tower. And it's starting to rain. Could get a better view of it if we go up this road here, but we're not going to go through that. That's a private access road. We're just going to pass on that for now. So there we go. Those are the two water towers in Cranberry Township that were built by the Pitt Des Moines company. So keep a lookout on my channel for more videos to come over this next week. And yeah, thanks for watching.